Hello and welcome to JJ with Joy. I'm still a little bit in the winter, snowy, Christmassy, smidgy mood. So sorry, y'all. I just printed off this kit. It's called Snow Days. It is such a cute little kit, and I just thought I'm just throwing the pages together, throwing a bow around it, and calling it good. Sometimes you just need to do something really simple. So I just put a little sari silk around the edge of it, and then it has the cutest little images of these children playing in the snow. And so I really like, there is some, I noticed that there was some eyes of the children that look kind of off, so I did cover them. This is from Robert Frost, so I have pages from that I added in as well to her digital kit. So just cute, simple. Just decided to more images that will fold over. I like the little lined pages here. Little birds. Her eye's a little funky, but you can tell these are AI generated, but this eye was really off there, so I did fix that by covering it. It really looked like the eye was going the other direction, which, you know, could have possibly been a real child, but this is AI generated, so sometimes we need to pay a little more attention. There were a few images. I had several that I did not put in here because they were kind of repetitive of what was already in here. This is a cute little image. I mean, some of their eyes look a little off, but all in all, this looks a little wonky, I would say, but I like it still. I like the general gist of the pages. I think it's pretty. If it were me, I'd go back and fix those pages, you know, to make them a little better. I don't know if she's a new digital creator or not, and I'll have to put in the bottom who it is because I really don't know right at the moment, so to tell you. That's a weasel, I think, is it not? And then I kept cutting these a little bit shorter. Snow Day, I kind of made this blend over to the next page. I kind of thought that was fun to do that. And then feeding the birdies. So that's it. I did put embossed my stamp down here on the bottom just for fun, but very cute. Just a simple signature with just digital pages, and then the bow. So thanks for being here. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more from me, you know, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'm here on Mondays at 7:30, and I'm back on Thursday at 3 o'clock, and those are Central Times. So I hope to see you again. Until I do next time. Oh well, I'll retie that. Until next time, remember your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a great day.